Okay. Well, that's sorting itself out. What did I want to do? Ba-ba-bum. There we go. That's what I wanted. Back to here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff to do. Okay. Hey, David, how you doing? How was your weekend? Are you good? Or better? Let me not say good. How you feeling? Yeah, and that's done. That's done. I think we're good to go, which is weird for me. I'm ready, steady. They rejected all. Interesting. Okay, cool. Let's draw. Let's get this ready. I did not see this. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. Puma, what up? Hi. If I've missed your message, how you doing? How's it going? Now that daylight savings have happened. Yeah, everything's moved by now. That's so cool. Some guy, happy Monday. How was your weekend? Was it fun? What am I doing? What am I doing? Slowly sorting myself out. It is Monday. It's gonna take some time. But I'm trading, if that was your follow-up question. Some guy, it was a good weekend. Was yours a good weekend? Mine was a very entertaining weekend. Nabilia, hi, how you doing? Much grass touching, that's good. Some guy, I'm glad. That's really, really awesome. It is sometimes necessary. Hey Rip, how you doing? I was looking on the weekend to see if you were live. Sorry, Bradley. Yeah, sorry, I don't go live on the weekends. I chill on the weekends, but every day during the week, I am here. I am here. So I'm playing with funny money. Funny money? What is funny money? It's not clown money, if that's what you're asking. Of course, David, anytime. Sorry, I wasn't really online yesterday. I was relaxing. I was relaxing. Yes. No, some guy, what happened? If you say so. Nabilia, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. Hello. Awesome. I now just have to get used to the fact that daylight savings has happened. It's super, I wouldn't say weird, but weird. Weird. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. And that's, oh, I stayed away from everything yesterday and just chilled, which was good. It is necessary to sometimes do that. Okay, we got our NWAG right here. Not as big as I thought it would have been, but I mean, it's still big. Okay, I already tapped into it. Cool. Shoe clears. Yo, the bugs down here are relentless. And the mosquitoes. No one warns you about the freaking coastal mosquitoes. Wow, they don't care about anything. Sorry, I know I'm not responding. Give me 2 seconds. And then I will be right with you guys. I wanted it to go there. Just gonna label this New York high and open. Okay. Okay. Back to this. Damiel, you're Indian. Hi, welcome. Rip, you know what? Cannot complain. How was your weekend, Rip? You're on the Nifty 50. DJ play in the morning without confirmations. Knew it was a bad idea. Oh no, some guy. What? I guess it proves that sometimes you can have it perfect, and it still just turns around and goes, nope. What am I? Supercalifragilistic. Okay, anyways. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I might. Let's see how today goes. I might go have a look at gold later. No. Some guy the audacity. The audacity, and what makes you think I'm blowing money, Puma? Hell yes, Dolly, yeah. It's daylight saving, so now we start an hour later. Solly, how's it going for you? Oh no, FX, what happened? Future trading, why not try GC1? I can try. Well, let's see. Strawberry, hi, how's it going? How did I pick what trading software you use among everything out there? So I mean, I started with TradingView. Mostly, I think it was one of the better known ones around here, and it's the one that my friend introduced me to. And then I found Project X, so now I use Project X. I think there's debate about which one's better, but Project X comes with the prop firm, so I just kind of stuck with it. Let me go and see. Straight to jail. Thanks, Solly. What if I should start calling you my mods or like my law enforcers? Nah. Maybe not. Ooh, equal highs, nice. And we slowly and steadily hopping down. Okie dokie. So, what does everyone think's gonna happen today? We're gonna come close off NWOG and just proceed from there. Should I draw NWOG like an absolute? No, I didn't. It's there. It's fine. Yeah. What are the thoughts for today, guys? What do we think's gonna happen? Okay, wait. Now that daylight savings has happened, what time do the markets actually open? Let me confirm this. Is it at 10:30 or 11? Either way, I'm here, but I'm curious now. London. 9 a.m. No. South Africa. Wow. I'm just gonna take it as it starts around now. And we're just gonna go with it. Let's see. Let's go with London has opened. Strawberry, what's that on top of the screen? What do you mean? On top what? Here. Is this what you're asking about? Oh no, FX, I'm so sorry. Can't complain other than I haven't traded since Wednesday. I had to work Thursday, Friday, and today. No, Solly, ew. Ew. But I mean, you know, gotta do what you gotta do, unfortunately. Hey, Vujay, how's it going? I'm gonna take a long NQ after the MSS in 3 minutes. Okay. The climbs a lot high. Just carries on down from pretty much where we are, I think. Interesting. So apparently, so for people using Top Step, apparently there was a glitch this morning. Did anyone get chopped up and spit out? Ethan, what's up? How you doing? Ellipses, hi! How are you? Everett, good morning, everyone. Market opened at 8 a.m. UK. Okay, cool, thank you. Liquid Grin, what does the top of the screen mean? I need you to give like a little bit more clarification. Are you talking about the things that are popping in? If yes, those are all the prop firms I'm affiliated with. If you're talking about this is my P&L and my 50k account, so you guys can literally see where I'm at. Pablo, you think new all-time highs today? Really? Why? Ellipses, sorry. So normally, starting this week, I'm starting to stream an hour later because of daylight savings have now come into play, which means everything is moved an hour later. So now I will be from this time, which is what, 10 a.m. South Africa time, sorry. No, yes, 10 a.m. South Africa time, so I'll now go until 12 South Africa time. And then I'll hop on an hour later for New York now that daylight savings has kicked in. So sorry if anyone was waiting. I'm so sorry, Ellipses. Ellipses, I'm terrible, but still alive. I mean, the top fluctuations in the graph. This? Are you talking about the... Apparently I've been saying it wrong. I say VWAP, but apparently it's VWAP. VWAP. I don't know, Boom Banana was judging me for how I say VWAP, and now I don't know if I'm saying it weird or not. The VWAP or VWAP? Hey Laura, how's it going? The market is super slow. Yeah. I think CFD up. No rules rather than daily and max last, no consistency and stuff. Thanks. Maurice? Hi, Maury. Anyways, hi, how you doing? Testing the water with a long towards those levels earlier. Okay. Happy alien. Hey, amazing. I appreciate that. Nerdy all the way. I will happily wear that nerd badge, and I will wear it with pride and honor. Okay. Oh, liquid green. Oh, sorry. Okay, no, that's fine. Maybe quick bounce back up. Rainsler, let's see. I say VWAP now. Thank you, some guy. One minute I said I was saying it weird, and I was like, but how? Anyway, what doesn't matter. Hey Rob, how's it going? Am I 45 or 25? I could be anything. I'm joking. I'm turning 27, guys. Hey Barwick, what's up? Boom Banana, we were just talking about you and how you were judging me for saying VWAP weirdly, but it's fine. How was Halloween? It was entertaining, guys. It was very, very entertaining. Yeah. Anyways. Or hell yeah. Do I use Bradley? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do use TikTok. You can just go type in teach my trading. There's not a lot of things that are called that. And you'll find me. Boom Banana, don't let her fool you. Ah, my man. There is videographic evidence. I'm just saying, you can't escape that one. Some goddamn. I love it. Okay. Vex, you took a long on NQ. Cool. Well, it looks promising. Let's see. So it's taken that. Sorry, guys. I'll start focusing now. Give me a minute. I made all these plans to back test this weekend, and nothing happened because, yeah, like I said, Halloween was, yeah, very entertaining. Aw, Maurice, you're so sweet. Omen, how did I treat my horses over the weekend? They had off this weekend, so I didn't even go see them. They just got to relax and live their best horsey lives. You might act 62 for sure, but not 60. Ah, Maurice. I think I already responded to that. I'm sorry. Grady. Sup, Matilda? What? Hi, I think. I don't know. Is that kind of trade, Adam? No? Rensler, super slow. Well, let's see. Let's... Still tip of 50, so it shouldn't. This would have gotten me in. See if this goes back up. I haven't even confirmed yet on the higher time frames. I should maybe start focusing. Sorry, I've been enjoying all these good conversations. Oh, Bradley, literally, if you just type in teach Maya trading, it should pop up. Should. Only true trader, good morning. How are you? No. Boom Banana. No. I wasn't expecting to read that. Wow. Damn, Boom. No. Thanks, Adam. Hey, it's back. You can't trade your wife. Caracale? Sorry, I'm not really a teacher. So I'm still a beginner myself. I can help you with like itty bitty basics. Akara? Hi. Go check out gold. Why, Ellipses, what's it doing? Show my tattoos. I have so many. Speaking of, we're nearly at 5k, guys. We are nearly at 5Ks, which means I gotta get another one. Yeah, I'm gonna get another one, a trading one. That was the deal. And it's nearly in action. It's gonna be fun. High life? Hell yeah. I feel like oh, that would have been a win. Okay. A lot of resistance around here. basically another bit of equal highs. Okay, let me quickly check something. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to focus for 5 minutes. I know that's weird for me, but we're going to focus for 5 minutes. Up. Okay, on the 5 minute. Happen again. Do we think it's going to want to pull the gap? The NWAG gap? Before potentially going back up? Sorry, let me just quickly... Oh, goodness. 1 hour, okay. Let's check the 4 hour. I'm down, cool. Awesome, let's do this. Hello. Hey, Warren. How was the weekend? Weekend was good. Weekend was good. Oh, nice. Perfectly in there. Let's see. Ready for the new week and month. I am. I'm quite... Yeah, I'm quite excited. I think it's going to be a goodie. I hope so. I mean, it's November, guys. It's going to be great. Hey, David Marshall, you know what? I cannot complain. How's everyone else? How was everyone's weekend? Did anyone do... Oh, goodness. Okay, anyways. Anyone do anything super duper cool? Don't ask me like what, but, you know, just anything super cool. Now, how many dollars am I up? Ooh, Adam, I'm not really up anything right now. Sorry, I haven't placed a trade yet. I think it's gonna want to hit at least this resistance level. I could be talking rubbish though. Hey Skeletor, how are you doing? You recommend 401k for someone to invest for? Maurice, I don't actually know. Sorry. I don't know that much when it comes to investing. I think that's a question for the group. So, group, do you recommend 401k pay for someone to invest for us or make the decision of what to invest ourselves? I think that's bigger for other people. Hey, Solly. Hey, Cash, what's up? Good morning. Inheritance of a downfall. Okay. It's a thought. I've already been there. It's a room that I went to first. Give a made out decision. Okay. Oh, some guy? That sounds like the best plan I have ever heard in my life. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Yeah, we're not financial advisors. So for investing, if you do the work yourself and do it properly, you'll outperform a group managed fund. If you want ease and average growth, don't manage it yourself. That's valid, some guy. There we go. Only true trader, I got a bullish bias today, and this week kind of looking really good with the amount of news there is. Ooh, okay. Ah, Nicholas, thanks for the like and sub. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, if you want to help support the community, if you wouldn't mind liking this stream, that would be amazing. You know, if you want to support even further, if you're with any of the affiliates in my description below, you want to use my code to get a discount, that would also be super awesome. Salty, what? Oh, Celtic Rider. You'll smoke any crypto trader. I love the confidence. Okay, ellipses, let's check out gold quick sticks. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay, then. That would have been good. Cool. Oof, that would have been a loss. That would have sucked. Oh well. So ellipses, are you in a short on gold right now? Want to know those that sound right? I don't know. It's like with trading, sometimes sitting on the sidelines with cash is better than investing. Wait patiently for the right opportunities. Ooh, interesting. Trade mindset. Hi, how you doing? Copy, I'm scrolling. I thought you were trading crypto. That's okay, Celtic Rider. Don't you stress. I like I said, I admire the confidence. I hope you can live up to it. Simply Spy, how's it going? Mr. Ethan, you trade crypto. Awesome. Well, apparently Celtic Rider can smoke you. Get a tour. You're amazing. Crypto bros unite. Oh, flip. Okay. I'm conflicted because this market is and isn't slow. That's why it tastes different. I was like, coffee tastes different today. I didn't put any sugar in it. Oh well, it's fine. I'm thinking about investing into energy like oil. Got any suggestions? Never really looked into it. Nicholas, does anyone here actually trade oil? I know there's a bunch that trade gold. Does anyone here trade oil? Rando Sings, I know I've said this before, but do not take advice from day trading from people on YouTube. 95% of traders lose money. I mean, Rando Sings, I'm not here giving advice. I'm here trying to figure things out. I'm not here trying to pretend that I'm making money. I'm not yet. I'm not profitable yet. So if you're here hoping to become profitable based off of me, not for you, sorry. Yeah, I'm not here to lie about anything. It's why I even have my 50k challenge amount up here with my P&L. You can see everything. Notice, do I like money? I mean, I don't know. Like money is a very valid term. Or, like, what does like money mean? Do I enjoy being able to live? Yes. But do I like being greedy and things? No. Oh, got it, Rando Sings. Yeah. Thank you. I was just making sure because I was like, sorry. Only true trader, you trade oil, and JD, you said don't invest in energy right now. That threw me off so much when I said mistake. Oh, sorry, Ethan, my bad. They were all first level. Who'd pay the traders. Ooh, nice rip. I was doing the dishes, so my hands were kind of tired. Oh, no ellipses. Ah, what the heck? Damn adulting chores. Always getting in the way. Not the biggest fan of this. Okay. Okay. Just taking out those. Tapped in there. Interesting. Okay. Oh, interesting, Celtic Red. Okay, so you think oil is not to day trade, it's to swing trade. That's okay. Golf comp, but I found out about the stocks. Hey Rob, how you doing? Do I like crypto? I have not traded crypto. Sorry, can't give much of an opinion on it then, right? Interesting if you say invest into gold but not energy. Who the hell is mining the stuff? Those mining machines run on oil. Ooh, Nicholas. I mean, that's valid, right? Do they work hand in hand all the time though? I'm not sure. Ethan, what drew me to trading instead of long-term investing? Not judging, just curious. I think I prefer to be hands-on, if that makes sense. And I know it's probably just all an illusion and there could be arguments against this 120%. I just kind of feel like I have a little bit more control over day trading. I could be talking absolute rubbish. I know a lot of people would say that investing is the better way to go, and there's a lot of facts that come with that, but I think once you nail down the day trading, you're pretty sorted. And like I said, it's a little bit more hands-on. So Kevin, what are we up to here? We are, well, yes, we're scalping. That, Alicia, that answers yours, right? Oh there, mate. Hey GT Ranger, how's it going? Takes Asia high and by the end of the day takes Friday low. Okay, Rip, so you think it's going to go all the way to Asia high and then come back down to New York's low, or I guess Friday low, like you said? How do you develop an edge on the market? I think you just have to find what works for you. And that takes, unfortunately, a lot of testing and learning and losing to find it. Oh, Celtic Rider, that is so sweet. I didn't even ask you, Celtic Rider, how long have you been trading for? Gonna long NQ when it comes a little bit lower. Same Z's. I want to try and long it from here. Okay, let me just set this up in case. I don't know if it's gonna come back this far, but I don't know if it's gonna come back this far. I mean, yeah. One high, do you think Rust will be the one to finally kill hard to compete below level control of CP? Hey! Hey, Slums the Stallion, how you doing? Welcome back. Forest, boring. Oh, that's okay. I like to see an AMD type of day or better said a classic sell day. Interesting. Fibonacci Queen? Nah, it's GAN Queen. Anyways, no, I'm just talking rubbish. Ba-bum. Let's do this. Okay. Let's go through the higher time frames quick sticks as well. Let's zoom out, right? When in doubt, zoom out. Headed for here. Hitting this level, it could retrace back down again. Give me a second. Let's check the 2 minute. The process, and I personally love researching fundamentals and listening to earning calls. Ooh, Ethan. Okay, that's interesting. Ages. So, out of curiosity, this might sound like a dumb question, so just bear with me. Where do you guys find the extra time? Oh, this does not look great. It's fine. Just stick with it. Stick with the plan. Stick with the plan. Induce bullish sentiment, and by the end of day, then deliver Friday lows. Yeah, it's Skeletor. Skeletor. You're so funny. Okay, 5 minute. Oop, just tapped in, so hopefully it retraces a little bit further down. This could be the complete wrong bias, but I'm, you know, sticking with it for now. 15 minute. This kind of looks like it wants to go back down, doesn't it? Let's see. Let's see, what time is it? $36. Oh, no, maybe not. Markets, I mean, these candles aren't very big. How big are these? Huh. It's really small today. I kind of thought there would be more. I don't know why. I just kind of thought it would be more. Property trading. Son, you think it's going to go down? Rust will die along with that. Okay. You invest in large index funds that are most stable, like 500. Well, Finn, invest? No, I day trade. But yeah, I'm on the Nasdaq. So yeah, 100%. And like I said, either it works or it doesn't. But I mean, I've got a few things. 1, 2. This might scare me, but. This doesn't look promising, but let's see what happens, right? Hands off. Other states, oil, gas. You guys ever heard of these sites? Sorry, Rob, no. Also been buying on Disney stock. Nice, Nicholas. Is it going well? You just need to find what works for you. I could personally never do real estate. Ethan, really? Why not? I know a lot of people just say that real estate is the way to go. Is it recently? Because damn, real estate is expensive. Nicholas, entertainment is cute. Entertainment is ridiculous. ridiculous. The amount that people get paid for entertainment. But I mean, they are entertaining. You can't argue that, right? But Skeletor, yeah. Azorion, hi, how you doing? It will just track down and move up. Alicia, you think so? Okay. Some guy, it was a green week for me last week. Not by a lot. Don't get me wrong, but it was green. So I can't complain about green. Hey, Celtic brother. Thank you. Well, let's see. Hopefully this taps me in. I thought, oh man. Let's see if it gets me or not. Either way, we're in it, right? I've been really sitting with it, thinking about them. Is just stop overthinking so much, which is difficult sometimes. Sugar, honey, iced tea. No, never mind, then it's fine. It's an amazing wealth building tool, but I would hate the process so much. I think, do you know what I would hate with regards to real estate and owning properties and having to rent and is, and this sounds terrible, but it's having to deal with the people. Like, I can't, if there was such thing as a job where you had to deal with animals only, like I didn't have to deal with people at all, I would be doing that job. 100%. Do not say vet, because vet you have to deal with the owners. And I wouldn't be able to put animals down. Hey John, what am I doing? I'm trying, well, I'm waiting to get tagged into a trade. Yeah, have my setup, and now it's hands off, and I wait, and I respond to you guys. Let me double check something on the 5-minute. Was this the right range to use? Yeah, okay. I mean, theoretically, I could have maybe gone for all the way down there, but we're sticking with this. 5 minutes, it's okay. Green is green, we take that. Thanks, some guy. I appreciate that. Yeah, I popped it under my trades on Discord. You could see everything. You could see Monday was green, Tuesday it didn't take any trades, Wednesday and Thursday were red, and then Friday was green. Yeah, but the green days outweighed the green amount outweighed the, I mean, that's the point of the 1 to 2 hour strategy, right? But anyways. Shouldn't or should? Rip? You don't think it will? Hey Art P, how's it going? How should I go about starting with $200 of buying power a month? Oh, Barry, sorry, I can't help you on that one. Also, again, not a financial advisor. Sorry. Damn, Nicholas, that's nice though. Ethan, dealing with tenants. Exactly. Pays some bills. Oh my gosh. Getting $3K a month for me would pay all my bills so nicely. That job is a trader who owns a lot of animals. Some guy. Now we are talking facts. I love it. My stocks don't call me with a broken toilet. You know what? When you're right, you're right. This could still come back down to get me. I don't know if I just risk carrying on following up, or if this might be it done and dusted. Let's see. Are you competing in the Tradeify Grand Cup? No, Omen, I'm not, sorry. What am I buying? Nasdaq futures. Nice job having days where you don't take trades. Yeah, yep. Some guy, I am trying. It was Tuesday. Tuesday was just choppy the whole time. Tuesday was shocking last week. Moon after trap. Ah, Alicia, damn it. So the correct range would have actually been here. That would have been perfect. Oh well, you know, bigger ranges aren't always the worst way to go. Huh. Just have kids, they're like little intelligent animals. Fine, I mean, I got my fur baby over here. He's the only intelligent animal I need. He thinks he's a human as well, so. Keep some silver for broken appliances, paid local tradesmen silver at spot price. Ooh, nice. Boom, banana, you're hungry. You're always hungry. Just saying. Boom, how are the trades looking for you, by the way? You've been awfully quiet, which makes me nervous. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right back. Watch. Someone yell at me if something happens. Don't mind me. I will move out of your way. You're right, some guy. I must be careful. Aw, man. Okay. It did just run off. Far and away. It's fine. Let's see. That is a no-go. It could come back down again. I'm a little bit nervous to be chasing price, but... One minute. I feel like I'm chasing a little bit, but let's see. Rip, you took something off there too. Nice. Trade what's easy and makes sense. Exactly. Took something off here. Stop loss moved in profit. Boom, banana. Ooh, Rip. So either way, you're winning. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Sorry. Market to the dotted line. Yep. Alicia, I agree. I was like, I'm ellipses. I'm so sorry. Damn, I was gone more than 2 seconds, guys. Ellipses is now upset with me, and I apologize. That's my bad. I must just be better. Oh, damn. This is just kind of running away. I don't know if this is gonna come and get me at all. I agree that it's going to the dotted line. I mean, it's gonna hit a little bit of resistance. Oh, maybe not. If it comes back now, this would be really nice. I'm gonna try. Let's do another. So I had to go and close my door because the neighbors have been fighting recently. So it's lots of drama, but very entertaining. Oh man, it's gonna take out that liquidity before it comes to get me. Okay, it's fine. John Williams, how much money have I got? Like, are you asking for a bank statement or what do you mean? Maybe the 0.2 for the 4R on that pullback would be a tasty retrace to shoot for a higher high. Once it's taken these equal highs, is that what you're talking about, some guy? Because then you are correct, then it could be, but I'm waiting to see if it's gonna hop there first. Hey Daniel, how's it going? Hey everyone, happy Monday. Happy Monday to you too. Chris, hi. Lukey, well, right now, bullish. Trend is friend, and it's trending bullish right now. No done comments. No, she's not a teen. She... yeah, guys, David's strict. Just be cautious. David will make sure that you guys behave. Proof of funds for your villa in Miami. Ah, yeah, yep, Nicholas, that makes sense. That makes sense. I wish. Never even been to Miami. Would be quite cool. I have not traveled enough. I need to be able to start traveling more. Just saying. Traveling would be amazing. Son, are you done buying? Okay. Trading with. It's not the best idea. Are you okay? This would be a really good entrance if it... Come on. Thank you. Oh, man. It's just running away. If it pulls back before hitting those equal highs. Oh, okay. Took something off at midnight. Price. Also more than 80% of position should be closed by now. Alicia, boys room you got there. Actually, gaming room. Boys shouting when being killed. Call of Duty. Yeah, Alicia. 100%. I mean, to be fair, have you played things like Battlefield? Yeah. I'm not going to say I use very ladylike words when I play that, but yeah. Would leave so much liquidity above for the taking. Nom nom nom. Some guy. Hell yeah. I wonder. I think it's just gonna go and grab it. Yep. Taken. It's just running away from me. I'm not getting an entry. With my strategy, I'm sure a lot of you have gotten amazing entries from this, which is amazing for you guys. Rip, is your TP all the way at Asia High? You are correct. It's what I'm trying really hard not to do. I'm trying to not. Trying being the key word here. So it's taken out now some very juicy liquidity. Officially broken there. Add this. It's just running away from me. Come back. I'm not that scary. I'm a nice person. Watch, I say that now. It's gonna come all the way back down to get me. Yeah, back 100%. It's fine. Tokyo? Hi, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. No! Zach, me and you both. It's just sprinting away. Oh well. On a side note, I'm sure you guys know this. Don't say. Oh yeah, Nicholas. I mean, we are here to be a respectful bunch. We are here for the trading, and we're here because of the community. Literally the most supportive trading community ever. Again, mad love for you guys. But that's the point of this channel, to have people here who are like-minded, that literally just want the trades. This could either be amazing or a very, very bad mistake. I want to say this could be a really good one, but taking their hit into their, what does it look like on the 5-minute? Broken properly here. Oh, cool. Basically tapped into the inverse fair value gap. Oh, yeah, Nicholas, no, don't worry. David, I'm a nice person. Only true trader, there goes your TP. Whoop whoop. Were you in it? Were you in it? No, you weren't in it. Oh, flip, man, I'm sorry. Oh, I've missed a lot. Come to Australia, Maya. You can hang out and wait. I missed that. Watch Tokyo Ghoul and eat marinades. David, I get it. Don't worry. I get it. I completely understand. You want to be jackass. Think twice before you comment. Yeah, David will get you. I'm just saying. David's on a mission. That's exactly what a scary person would say. It's not a good job, I limit auditing. Only true trader, I'm so sorry. Hey Melvin, how's it going? Crazy. Hi, Crazy. Well done. Whoop whoop, that's awesome. Oh, don't worry. Melvin's been here since day one. Gotta love Melvin. Always here, showing the love. Wait, why did I... No, you absolute nana. You complete banana bread. Okay, sorry, I put the wrong amount of contracts. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, there we go. I don't know where the complete banana bread came from, but we're sticking with it now. If you're doing something silly billy, you're now a banana bread. Moving on. Only true trader? Yeah. Wait, is this not London session? When does London session start? Am I not in London right now? Did you mean New York session? Son, you think we're selling now? Why? You don't think it's gonna keep going up? Hey Justin, welcome. How's it going? Value up respects. Next move 70%. How much cash is in the screen? Going up and down. Well, John, good question. Well, I'm on the MNQs, so a little less than some of the other places. I can tell you that for free. No bank statement. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader. How you doing? Brady? Hi. Obviously, you guys have seen Wolf of Wall Street. Yes, what's up? Hey, Franks, how you doing? Again, if I have not responded to anyone, I apologize. only problem with this is if it hits me at my entry level, it might actually, like you said, son, be wanting to start going down, but let's see. It's hands off. I stick with my strategy. Either it works beautifully or not at all. Go up my confluences. Yeah, it's hands off, so now I can answer properly. What's the tool I'm using? So I'm using a GAN box. Those are the settings I have for it. Like I said, nothing special, super simple. It's fine, leave it alone. I just made a Wookiee noise. Moving on. Grady, what part of London? I'm not in London, if that's what you are asking. David, have you really never seen Wolf of Wall Street? Nicholas, no. So for all the new people here, I only started trading April this year. So what's that, like 7 months ago? Yeah, around there, 7 months ago. That's when I started trading. Basically, I was chatting to a friend who's a trader, and I just said I'm so sick and tired of working for people and not having my freedom, both financial and, you know, with bosses they can be difficult. And like you guys said, I'm nice. I tend to be too nice, which is a problem because people love to take advantage of that. So I would be working overtime and doing all these extra things and not getting paid any extra for all the extra above and beyond that I do. And I was like, you know what, if I'm going to do all this extra stuff, why do I not just rather invest that into me and learn how to do this to be able to have financial freedom and self-freedom? I guess that sounds weird, but you get what I mean. Yeah. Hey, CA Champ, good morning, Miss Africa. Heal. Hi, Life, you think it's time to short? Oh, no. So it literally did just come up. I still think it wants the Asia highs, though. Maybe not. It's a loss, it's a loss. Ellipses? Sure. Here we go. I'm gonna quickly do this while I read. Chewbacca statue. Oh gosh. Aussie. Nicholas? Alicia, yeah, I started this year. In April. Yeah. Oh. Well, so Nicholas, I'm from South Africa. David's from Australia. Yes? Yes. Son, done selling, profit secured. Damn, son, you're on a roll, by the way. Franks, you have the same motivation. I think it's a lot of people's motivation to just be free. I know that sounds weird, because we technically, you know, we have free will and all that, but yeah. We... Not until... Damn, Paul. Okay. Wait, only 6 months. I traded for 4 years before I got successful. Damn, yeah. Well, I'm not successful yet. Celtic Rider, just before you guys get excited, I'm not profitable yet. Just putting it out there. I'm still learning, which is why it's Teach Maya trading and not Maya teaching trading, because I am not qualified to be teaching people how to trade. Close enough, is it? I'll sell that 2,000 shares. Be honest, did I learn from True Trader? No, I didn't. No. Mark 1? How's it? No, you Bluxum. What the heck? How rude. Just leaving without me. But it hasn't hit this 50% level yet, so I did want something. I'm sticking with it. I'm just gonna make this now 5 because it is just running away, and I think by the time it gets to me, it's gonna be too late, but it's fine. Now I follow. Yeah. Bummer. Oh well. Yep, I'm South African. Added another RP. You added another. Yeah, nice. One off that 100 per book map. Okay. Tiarmil, massive red candle incoming. After it takes out Asia High. Yep, I get it. The bugger. Can it come and get me first? I don't think it's gonna come and get me first. I still just think it's gonna keep running away from me. I'm not scary. Come back. Damn. Oh well. $26137 is a nice level. Really? What's there? Oop. Oh, this is a nice level. Okay, well, let's see. Like I said, it keeps running away from me. It's fine. Whatever. Be like that. I'm trying to stick with this range. I'm trying. Am I the new gen Heath? I don't know who that is. So, no. No idea who that is. You know what could also be a good one? This, but this feels like it's now properly. I mean, Seriously, it's fine. RP, no, I don't have book maps, sorry. Hey Lichen, how's it going? How are you? How have you been? How was the weekend? How was everyone's weekend? Did anyone go out trick-or-treating? Or, I don't know, partying, I guess? If you are one that enjoys to party. I don't think this is gonna come back to get me. Nope. Oh, David? I still do not know who that is. Who dat? Hey, Will, how's it doing? Leslie, watch Dumb Money. I will love it. Okay. I will go watch it. Everything's going fine. What about me? I mean, I'm fine, except the market keeps running away from me, and I'm trying to decide if I should be offended by that or not. Like, I didn't think I was that scary, but apparently I am. Entry would be at the 40%. Yeah. The only thing is my stop loss would be better. I'm conflicted. Anyways. Zah, that is awesome. Hey, that's super cool. Well, as long as you had fun. Oh, only true trader, you done? I mean, it's just running away from me. I can't get into this. Which is absolutely disgusting, but I guess it is what, yep, still just running away. And when it takes that Asia highs, I'm actually not going to be a part of this anymore. Because then I think we might be shifting to sells. Oh, that's frustrating. I'll keep this on, but it just ran away. Watch it now come back to where it could have tagged me in. See, now, Not respect that. Okay. Wisdom, what am I trading on? Well, I'm on... You're joking. Are you joking? I can't tell if you're joking or not. So that was there. I don't know why you're apologizing to me for not using book trading. You can watch. RP, you think it's still going up? Wisdom, so I'm on Project X. There we go. Silver bullet, I cannot complain. High Life, are you asking if the horses are waiting? Oh no, so don't worry. So High Life, I started an hour later because of daylight savings. Now things have shifted an hour later for me. So I will go in like an hour and a bit. Yeah. So instead of ending at 11, I'll end at 12. But then obviously I still have that extra hour because then I'll start streaming for the New York session an hour later because everything has moved an hour later. So far I can tell that you're doing good. There's one small piece of advice I can give you, yeah, is to trade inverse and reverse ETFs. I'm a copy paste this. Thanks, Celtic Rider. Nope, I missed that. I missed that too. There we go. Okay, David, and my position when I pulled back to 90. Hard peak could have gotten in there. Hey, Juicy Jumbo. Good morning from Tennessee. Hello, hello. How's it going? No. Oh, Wisdom. No, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Oh, sorry, RP. That's okay. Alicia, well, I mean, I have my email in the description. You can pop me an email. I do also have Instagram and TikTok. Both just teach Maya trading. There's not a lot of users with that name, so yeah. Famuj, hi from Indonesia. Hello. Full port longs. Yeah, Saint. Why not? Why not? Thank you for the new sub. Nox, good morning. How you doing? The market just ran away from me today. Yeah, so it is what it is. Gustav, hello. Hello, Macy. Hello. How are you doing? Any profit or just loss? Neither. The market just dipped It just ran away from me and I haven't gotten in, so yeah. And it's about to hit Asia high, which means I think I need confirmation it's not going to be a reversal now. But yeah, it literally just ran away completely. So that's fun. That's fun for me. You trade the 15-second chart? Chris, my P&L of this month, I can't tell you this month, I can tell you in the last 11 days, sorry, actually, I posted this on Discord earlier this week, so last week was a green. I'll go have a look. I mean, I'm still technically in the red, by like, let's say $500 technically, on my prop. Yep. RP, am I on X? Yes, I'm on Project X. Yeah, Art. But I mean, like I said, last week was green. I like $100, but still, green is green. My dog over here sighing like he has the most difficult life in the world. Son, you think this is gonna keep going up? Hey, Creative Stake. My average monthly gains. Again, I'm not profitable yet. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. So hopefully I'll be profitable soon. I don't, you know, at the end of the day, I can't think about chasing money, just thinking about mastering. Mastering is a very... Let's not say mastering. I don't know if you could ever be a master at this, but getting better at reading the charts. Maybe that's... So trading is a scam, only we can earn by selling the fake courses of trading. No. No. Definitely not. There's a lot of people living off of trading. So it's not a scam. It's just not easy. I think that's where the scam, if you will, comes in. It's where people sell the idea that trading is going to be easy and you're going to be making millions in a week. No. Wait, RIP? It hit? Oh my gosh. Whoop whoop, 81 points. RIP. That was phenomenal. Nicely called. So now, RIP, you think it's going to want to pop back down. So that's why I said, let me wait for confirmation of, is this thing going to just keep pumping up? Pump it up. Pump it up. Or are we going to now shift back down? RIP. Well done. That is so freaking awesome. Thanks, David. Interesting, so you could learn from your mistakes while you learn to read the markets. I mean, creative stake, yeah, basically. Yeah. And maybe when I learn something, like I said, I learn things every single day. If it's just from the markets, but it's mostly from the amazing community and the amazing chat. They teach me things every single day. Like the Asia high and Asia low. I learned that a while ago. Like I heard it, but I didn't believe it until one day it worked beautifully, where the market likes to either take the Asia high or Asia low and then go the opposite direction. Not always. Okay, nothing is 100%. I cannot sit here and be like, ah, this will happen. But now I kind of watch out for that. If I see it's headed toward an Asia high or Asia low, like now, it took out the Asia high. Now I'm waiting for confirmation. Are we now going to start just popping back down? Maybe it wants to come and fill this NWOG. But I need confirmation. That's why I closed my position. One holding 2 micros. Art P, so you still think this is going to go up, Art? Chris, no. No. Definitely not. Yeah, exactly. Only true trader. That is it. Rohit, hi. The rip winning. Hell yeah. Targets at 150 wants to continue to push. Oh damn, okay then. Okay then, Art. That's awesome. Can I watch if I don't trade? I don't know nothing about trading, but I seem nice. Yeah, of course you can. I might sound like I'm talking gibberish. Sometimes I am, but you're more than welcome to watch if you don't trade. You might learn something or five. Hey DK, how you doing? Appreciate it. 26137. Yeah, it's about to go there. Rip. It's headed there. But do you think that's the shift point, if you will? Got a winner going through the roof. Yep. Anthony, 100%. It ran away. Even this wouldn't have given me an entry. Nothing here has given me an entry. So obviously part of me is bummed, but another part of me is saying it's fine. I didn't chase price. I didn't try and get in and do dumb things. So it's fine. It's fine. Making new high of day. Yep. It's bound. Wait, I missed that. So it's bouncing every time I try someone. Wait, okay. It means it's about to come back down to support line. I wish you knew how to trade reverse ETFs. I'm gonna have to go. Did you see me hit the fly? That was cool. Anyways, I'm gonna have to go do some research. Hey Brian, what's happening? Oh, good night. Oh, good night. Good night, Brian. I'm so mad, like that trade was amazing. Zero drawdown. I should have entered on Traderbuy, not on my. Oh no! Only true Traderbuy, didn't you? Out of curiosity, why didn't you take it? Superwoman. Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. The Umbra. Is it lost on you that this is a ridiculous way to make money? I mean, if you feel that way, you don't have to watch. I think it keeps going up until it doesn't. RP, that's valid. Meal the Fox. How many dollars do I make in one day? Well, nothing yet because I'm not profitable yet. Like I say, guys, I'm here to be open about it. Bar graphs are so cool. It's gonna find the next one when time comes. Hey, rip, that's valid. Nox, what's causing the major push up? That's actually a good question. Does anyone know the answer to that? Why are we seeing this today? Is it because is there hectic news happening this week? You know. Because of the pullback we had on Friday? What's happening? Celtic Rider, here we go. It's going to drop. I'm watching. I want to see. Done buying, profit secured, 10k done for today. More profit, I'm still ranking completion. Damn, son! Well done, whoop whoop. That is amazing. Would like some nice, healthy, corrective activity or an ad? Yep. Is it going to though? This is just pushing. Here we go, pushing still. Still wouldn't have got an entry. This is ridiculous, guys. Wait. Wait. Are the sellers starting to step in? Ooh, I think the sellers are starting to step in. Okay, let's see what happens. I think sellers are starting to come to the party. rip. 100% grab. Guess last week's PA kind of messed with me. Barely got trades, so missing such a good trade. So I'll see how to trade, how to try it. Well, I mean, I'm trying trading, I guess. 26157 is your prediction on the drop. Okay, I'm gonna, let's see, 157. 50. Nope. I had it. Let's see. Justin. Oh, I can zoom out, Celtic. Yeah, here we go. Just get rid of that. Took out Asia high. I can't believe it. This is ridiculous. I did not expect to see this on a Monday. Wiser than most. Why did I ban? I mean, I'm not doing anything. I got my mods. If my mods thought that he shouldn't be here, I don't know what happened. Sorry. At the end of the day, cash is cash, and a hustle is a hustle. And as long as you're making money and getting more, then that is the only thing that matters. Hey, Gothic Ghouls, 100%. Of course, not going to try force anything and blow up my account. Come back for New York Open. Yeah, only true trader. The seller's called in sick today. Hey, Rage? Honestly. They all just went, nah. Today's just not the day. The sellers have been faking out the whole morning. No, I don't predict the top. It still has room to go. The level I told you was the last target for the trade I was in, not a reversal point. Oh, interesting. Didn't Trump reduce the tariffs on China by 10% on Friday? Renz, I'm not sure. Oh, maybe. Maybe. High life. I'm so sorry. Yeah, listen. Listen, yeah. I didn't get into a trade, not from lack of placing a trade. It's just... it didn't come and get me. Cool. But at least I'm not chasing or just marketing in because of FOMO. No FOMO. Sorry, that's more me talking to myself. To remind myself to not just do silly billy things. You know, let's not be a silly goose. Two 612. Okay. Okay, Celtic. Interesting. Apple butter. Out of curiosity, what does gold look like right now? Seeming as I can't get into anything just yet. This is lots of fun. Trend is friend, right? Until it's not, which means this, maybe this feels like a bit of a stretch. Okay. Cheers, Zar. I'm assuming you had a winning trade, by the way, which means whoop whoop bizarre. There's a 70% chance that we don't close the day above this level. And Friday lows up 77 to get hit by the end of the day. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And Apple Buddy, you say gold's dumping. Makes sense. They tend to, not always, tend to do the opposite of one another. Hey, Brian. What's up? Based on this, stats trader should adapt to what price and time present for the trader. Keep that in mind. Going to do my thing now. Wish you a great time. Cheers, Rip. Well done for today again, by the way. Massive whoop whoop for Rip. Brian, what's up? I've got 1 micro left, so I'll have to wait for a pullback to re-up. I don't know if I should try this. I mean, it's not the worst. I mean, I have that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I've had worse confluences, I guess. Not gonna say this is the best trade. Maybe there. It's just not coming back. It's just not coming back. Oh, cheers, Brian. Enjoy. I have snot in my nose. I need to clear it. Moving on. Gold, a dump. Rensler, cool. Rensler, by the way, how has the trading been going? I haven't actually spoken to you in a while. Why is this happening? Oh my gosh, I can't get into any of this. Oh my word, it's just running away. I don't even think To the Moon describes this accurately enough. This is like to Jupiter or to Pluto. It's going to Pluto, guys. Took the longs on DAX and NQ at the 5-minute order. London open at 10 AM. Wasn't expecting such a move. But hey, that's trading. ZAR? Whoop whoop. That's all I'm saying. Just amazing. Celtic Rider, do not buy. Why? There's 151.75 next. Please give me a pullback to add some more. Let's go for Oh, that's cool. Sun, is that a thing? Is professional sport better a thing? Yeah, Sun, and what do you see? I feel like when it starts dropping, it's gonna drop down so hectically. Can we have a normal market? We had chop last week where you couldn't really do much and it was just wicking out all over the place. Now it's just running away. I mean, for those that can market in, I'm sure you guys are super happy right now. I'm not happy. Where's the nice pullbacks for entries? Follow your plan, do not FOMO. Yeah. Oh, young for a beat. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. FOMO leads to gambling. Yes, I know. I know. Well, let's see. Here's Justin's level. Justin? Let's see how this goes. Out of curiosity, I want to see how this looks on some of the higher time frames, seeming as I've missed all of this. Is that rude? 5-minute. I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes and it's driving me mental. I can't believe this move today. Open. Tapped into NWOG and then just shot off. Okay, 1 hour. That was a 1 hour look. Okay. Sorry, let me just close this for a second. Sorry, I know I went super quiet there. Zoom out, it's making a bull flag. Yep. Oh, nice! nice. You're on a week off at work. That's nice. Damn, I would love to have a week off. Oh. Here we go. Me too, getting smashed by mosquitoes. I'm sitting under a blanket, sweating, trying to hide. Oh no, Solly! Is it a wet blanket? Anyways. Making a bull flag. I'm getting smashed. They'll find it much harder to get you. They're just getting blown away. Yeah, some guy. I'm gonna have to do that. Oh no. I don't know if it's going to pump higher, and this is scaring the living daylights out of me. Yeah. Oh, Rensler. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's okay though. It really is FOMO inducing. Yep. Because seriously, part of me wants to get in on this. Ellipses gold blood like you. You have golden blood? Hey, Hazy, how's it going? You know what I can do? Right, stick with... November with NVIDIA result. I'll see him crashing like anything interesting. Here you go. You humans can't relate. Ellipses, I feel like... What golden blood do you have? Like, is it dragon blood? Unicorn blood? What has golden blood? Alien blood? Alien blood could be golden. Sorry, I'm talking absolute rubbish. Apologies. Celtic Rider, you still think it's gonna drop? Maybe it doesn't. I need my little bit of confirmation over here. I'm gonna keep going up. This takes time, you need to be very patient. I know, I'm trying so hard. So hard. Wow. Like, what an amazing freaking trading day. Not for me, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Hey George, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Infamous Flex, what up? Oh, Sunfaith, I mean, if you lock in hectically, but even then 3 months I think is pushing it. Ooh, ellipses. I like it, I like it. Love the mystery. Maybe elf. Well, depending, you know. There's debates about that one, but anyways. Shouldn't I be in the kitchen? Only if you want your food poisoned. Fell that flat in profit. Just opened with 2 here. Ooh, okay, Art. I'll take. You think it's going to bounce and then drop again. Profit indicator all-time high with NVIDIA results. Thanks, George. Thanks for the sub. No trade is better than stop loss. I'm like on like a 5-day losing streak. Don't worry, ellipses. You've seen me, and yeah. Zev, I got you. The curve, because you understand risk management and discipline, I would think. You would think. Maybe. It's a potential, right, some guy? Why did the market V up? No idea. It doesn't look like it wants to keep going up though, so maybe a loss. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit of confirmation before I place anything. Maybe I'm gonna regret it. But at least I'm not letting FOMO win, right? Don't let the FOMO win. Be better. I should probably not play with the sharp things. Should have learned my lesson from stabbing myself the other day. Seriously, guys, I'm not doing... Well, Friday was a very entertaining day. Friday was very entertaining. Hey, Ask Me Line, how's it going? Oh... Nice, Sunfaith. Okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Nicely caught on. Why does this kind of look like a bull flag? I could be wrong, though. I'm not great at spotting bull and bear flags. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely not my strong suit. Is anyone good at those? Ellipses, I mean, you are kind of a scalper. No, not really. You're not really a scalper. What did gold do today? Okay, let's quickly look at gold because I'm curious and I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm trying not to let FOMO win, so let's do this to not let FOMO get the better of me. Huh. Wouldn't have been able to get anything in gold either, so that's cool. Wow. Just wow. Okay, well, we've lost the buying pressure. You just have to keep practicing drawing them. Looks like divergence come down. Where from is the question. Ooh, nice, Ricky. Also, hi, Ricky. How's it going? How was your weekend, by the way? I think I did ask you earlier, but I don't know if I saw your response. I'm sorry about that. Sorry. So if I learn price action, you learn those bull bread. So I know of them and I have kind of spotted them. I feel like I'm normally pretty inaccurate at spotting them. Sometimes I'm like, ah, it's a bull flag, and then it just does the complete opposite. I'm like, never mind. Wrong. Completely wrong. Gold might bounce and drop further. John, did I make any money? No, it just ran away. I didn't get tagged into anything, so nothing for me, but it was not from lack of trying. I had my setups, I had placed everything, it just didn't come back and get me, and there's nothing I can do about that, so it is what it is. Really, Sunfaith? How? How? I'm a kind of scalper, but not really. My trades take a few hours sometimes. Ellipses, I mean, yeah. This can sometimes take 30 minutes. Other times it takes 2 minutes. Does just depend on the day. Like a big bull flag forming on the 4-hour. Could pull back for a while before trying to break out though. Ooh, Angel Isley, thank you. We're all just chilling and waiting for trading. Basically, Ricky, we're basically now waiting and watching to see what happens next. I am running out of time though, so if you could make your decision soon, that would just be dandy. I would appreciate it a lot. Hey Lubitz, what's up? Roger Parker? Roger. How's it going? Sorry, Star Wars. Just letting the nerd flow out of me a little bit today. Apologies. Gotta love being a nerd sometimes. Young Probes drawing... Wait, sorry, I feel like I've missed something. Drawing what? Drawing the flags? Or drawing... What am I drawing? Let me see. Anna. Roger, you're from Brazil. That's cool. Being a nerd is the best. Absolutely. How would it go though? So it's something like this, right? So correct me if I'm wrong. It would look a little bit like this. Is this kind of the idea behind it, young folks? So it should get smaller and smaller and then potentially break out? Yes? See, learning. We're learning this together. Or have I completely butchered that and it's supposed to be further that way? So this is the bounce we were talking about. Well, let's see. Richie Wilson, what up? Jessica? Hi. Young Forbes? Yeah, I will. I'll check it out. Doing trading? Hell yeah. Do I need a laptop to be good at Forex trading? Or my phone is enough? Sunfaith, I mean, I know a lot of people that just trade using their phone. I haven't tried my phone. So I can't tell you what's better. Just from what I've heard, I think PC is a little bit easier. But I know a lot of people that use their phones. No, Boom, it didn't come and get me in. Oh well. Boom, I'm assuming you got in some decent trades. I'll take 2612. Like on the dot? You think it's gonna go all the way down there? Shapes don't work. And Crush, how's it going? Hey Raj, how's it going? You trade with your phone a lot. And what do you prefer, Art? Phone or PC or laptop? In the field of trading, call me master. Okay. How long have you been trading for, master, if you will? Because the bottom goes all over the place. What matters is the top line. Ah, interesting. Okay. But if it breaks out of here, it's likely to go up, is what you're saying? Oh, nice! PC is way easier. There we go. Austin, where did I learn trading? I mean, my trading friend who got me into all of this taught me the basics. Otherwise, I've learned everything else from the amazing community here and the chat. Yeah. Love from Kashmir, India. Aw. Mad love back. Young Ferb, also PC. There we go. Traded with my phone a lot depending on where I am, but PC is definitely more suitable. Okay, so it is possible to do phone, but it's easier on the PC. I know Renzo, he's a phone guy. Is Renzo a phone guy? Interesting. There we go. Renzo's a phone guy. Fixed and wanted to use my phone at work. Now I'm not a brokey, I'm rich now. Okay, Jessica. It took you 5 years. Nice. Might be a bearish rising wedge though. After the leg down. Keep your blue lines. I see which side it breaks and retest. Beware of a fake break. Push to the other side though. Interesting, Angel Eyes. I mean, that makes sense. Part of me wants to take this, but another part of me knows that that is probably a really dumb idea and not worth it. And it could either be a win or a loss, but it's a bit of a FOMO trade, which is bad discipline-wise. Man, okay. Traveling lamp. Your beloved system is a ravenous moth. Okay. I am not profitable yet, Austin. Yeah. So I've been trading since April. I'm very open and honest about the whole experience. I'm not profitable yet. Okay, young fro. Echoing what others have said, I prefer to trade from the computer, but I really home, so it's normal. On the phone, there we go. Okay, cool, some guy. Celtic, do not take this trade. Damn, I'm getting yelled at. So, Ricky, you're already in a short. Let's see if it works out. I mean, I could be super cheeky and just have a quick little short from the 0.5 to the 0.2 level, but that feels cheeky and it's not how I trade, so I shouldn't do it. I want to, but I shouldn't. No, nope, nope, nope. Behave, Maya, damn. Breakdown with no retest, I think it could shoot back up. You can, but keep your risk tight. Breakdown, let's play with... Hey, Wilfred Morris, how's it going? Capital preservation is better than clicking the button. Yep, Bernard. When you're right, you're right. It's just frustrating. It's just frustrating. It's risky now, you're at break even. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. Apple butter, stick to the rules. I know, why do you think I'm now just like... I'm playing with my hands. Wait, I'll play with my nightmare. To not get into a trade. I really want to, but that's just FOMO and risky and dumb, and we don't do that, right? Yes, we're good. We are good here. Or we try to be good here. Hey, Nox. What's wrong with this trade? Why am I not taking it? Because it's a little bit risky with the push up that we just had. This could be the shift down. I also don't have the best confluences for this trade. It's not ideal. I would not call this an A+ setup. It's not the worst setup, but it's not A+. Ah, thank you. Thanks, Ricky. Nox, too late now. Don't play with the spiky. No, I've learned my lesson. I was just now and I was like, don't play with it. I'm gonna stab myself again. But this is fine. This can't stab me. Hey, John. How's it going? Come on, BTC. Don't let me down. Justin, I made an educated guess on where we'd see the flip, but the drop down is too slow for me. I need to see a stronger reaction on the reversal. Ooh, okay. I mean, it nearly hit it to a flipping point there, Justin. You see, I even marked just this level. Like I said, Nox, I technically could still get in on this, but it feels risky. It's no good for you either, yep. Buyers could be on a pre Justin. With that copy, I was like, yep, they could be. Had the money to spend or what? If I had the money to spend and it was not yours, would it be easier for me? Probably not. No. Because then I feel like I'm risking someone else's money. Which is worse for me. Because, you know, me being dumb with my money, well, if they're being dumb, let me rephrase that. Me investing my money, sure, it's my money to lose. But other people's money, woo, there's a whole lot more to that. Gets complicated. Ellipses. I did. I had a little bit of cereal this morning. Ah, look at me go. Sunfaith, I'm not trading currency pairs. Shorting it back down. I'm just not seeing a lot of orders below on bookmap. Interesting. Okay. Hey, Raphael. How's it going? Okay, so I would have gotten into the trade here. Looks like it's headed for a loss, but I mean, stranger things have happened. John, how many years have I been in trading? 0 years. I've been trading since April. No mafia involved. It's a new month. It is, Raphael. Happy, yeah. Well, happy trading for the new month. We've got this, guys. Watch 2612. No, it's right by where my stop loss would have been. So I'm watching. I'm watching. Let's see. Thank you, Ellipses. Thank you, thank you. Nox, check the 15. Holy guacamole. Technically, if we had to... Technically, that's the range. That's actually quite a good entry, but that's just a tad bit too much for my taste right there. That's a little too large for me to get in on. Okay, let's see what happens. It dropped down. I'm supposed to be sleeping. 10 New York session, but I watch your stream when I can't sleep. Oh, young verb. Thank you. I mean, bad that you're not sleeping, but yeah. I'm glad my voice is not putting you to sleep. If that makes sense. Yes, might hit some support now. Ooh, okay. Let's see, apple butter. Why do you think that? Oh, of course, Raphael. I'm matching my up on my prop account in profit and your... Have I withdrawn yet? Oh, Yosh, no. No to both. I'm not up anything yet. Nox, be brave. Oh my goodness. I hear you, but damn. Raphael, I did my hair really nice. Oh, thank you. So all I did was I actually just slept with it in pigtails, like Wednesday. Just plaited it in pigtails and that was it. Worked quite well. Hey, Monkey Luffy. Oh, thanks, Rage. So in life. Hey, Sun. Yeah. Because of daylight savings, Sun. So, I mean, I'm gonna hop off in like 4 minutes, so it actually feels dumb to maybe even be taking... Well, I'm not in a trade, but... In 4 minutes, I'm gonna hop off, be back for New York. Let's see, maybe New York doesn't run away. And then... I might be able to get a trade in. What the heck? Gold is falling fast. Ooh. John, yes I do. I trade both London and New York session. So this is London, nearly done. New York session, I will be back. I'm assuming it's still 9:30 there. I'm actually not sure. How does it work? Did it move there as well? Probably not, but I'll be back for the New York Open. Oh, what? Prosciutto? What? Oh, give me 2 seconds. My dog's asking me to go check his water. came back and all I see is Monster saying you're in the red today. I'm sorry. What? Okay. Well, Celtic, I'm watching this level. I'm actually gonna make a note here. Let me make a note on this level. Okay. Let's see. Ba-ba-bum. Since April, no withdrawal. No. No, Yosh. Damn. I wish I was that cool. Market should go up. Oh, I've missed a lot. Anyway, be brave to make money. Send me an email. I told you how much money. My email is my name. And it's going retrograde won't be permanent. Yeah, month and a half, 100%. And then I'll be back for that. Output, daylight savings. San, are you asking me if I'm profitable? Because I have answered that, or are you asking everyone else? Oh, thanks, Raphael. Monster Mob, you think it's a perfect short day? What is a compliment? Anyways. When it hits 2612, buy back in. Ah, so you think that this would have been great for my 4R trade, which would have looked like this. There we go. There. Around there. Let's see. I wonder if it would have worked. Okay, let's have a look. Hey, Potato Daddy. Raphael, thanks. Some days I make 10 times, sometimes minus 30. Yeah. Monster Marv, it is what it is. Some days are going to be red, some days are going to be amazing. On US Open, we dump. You think so? To be fair, you're not the first. Rip also thinks that it's going to start going down to last week's low. Friday's low, sorry. You think bullish? Hey, Zach, what's up? I'm good and you? SM50, you still think this is a bullish flag pattern? Let's see. Get it up to the swing high, in your opinion. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting to see who is potentially correct. I mean, I would still be in this trade. Ooh, not for much longer by the looks of things. Aw, Sad Zombie. That's quite a sad name, but anyways. Hi, how are you doing? They're from France. That's very cool. Yildiz? No, I'm looking at MNQ, actually, not gold. I want to potentially start looking at gold. I saw gold was just doing complete mad lad stuff today as well. It's building an M pattern. Doesn't the M pattern tend to then start dumping? Yes, monster. Yeah, because you, yes. Then it'll start dumping. Yep. Okay, son. Yeah, well done. Yep, just close the charts. Don't let temptation win. Hey, Lethu, how's it going? Gold will get ripped in the next few weeks. Okay, let's see. This looks like... Celtic, looks like you called it nicely. Let's see though. What just happened? Why is it going crazy? We have the wrong thing. Whoopsie. Find someone to use for... Okay. Volatile markets are the best. Oh, I don't, RX. I don't speak French, unfortunately. I wish. I know like 2 phrases. Not even. I know 1 phrase. Dora, some guy, me and you, but some guy, wait, don't you have work? Are you off today? Yeah? Some guy, are you off? Liquidity collected. Hey Michelle, how's it going? I'm not taking it, but market's too good. You think it's gonna go down? SA wealth builders, hi. We're watching the Nasdaq futures. Not for much longer though, guys. I do have to go. Ooh, okay, art. Well, I mean, that's quite hectic. That's quite hectic. I'm gonna have to come back and see how this all played out. Unfortunately, I gotta go to the ponies, but I will be back for New York Open. Again, now that daylight savings has kicked in. Yeah, Lipsy, sorry, Jordy's not here today. I wonder if he's gonna hop on later. But now that daylight savings has kicked in, I will be hopping on an hour later. My time, yeah. Assuming as everything's moved up for us in South Africa. Pathfinders, I'm looking too serious taking this trade. I'm not taking the trade. RX a pony? Yeah, well, not really a pony. Well, the one is a pony, the other one's a horse. Okay. Let me then call it. Sorry that there was no trades. Like I said, it's not from lack of trying. I had my setups, it didn't come and get me. It just ran away from me today. Nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. Maybe New York can offer some more proper entries. But I will be back for the New York session. We got this. Apple butter, hopefully I'll see you later. Yeah. I hope the mines were ready, right? I'm gonna go... What? Touch some grass, right? Trading is my thing. Awesome, thanks. You are South Africa? Yes, I am. Lethu, I am South African. Ah, Pathfinders, I'm good. But I'm gonna call it there for now. Just be aware, I think the ending scene is a lie. Apologies about that. But I'm gonna call it there for today. I love you guys madly. Well, not today. I'll be back for the New York session. Yes, whatever time that is for all of you guys. I love you guys. And ellipses, goodbye. Not human. Okay, I'm gonna just start calling you non-human. I love you guys madly, and I'll see you later for the New York session. Yeah? Yeah. Bye. Yep, that's a lie. I apologize.